Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, classification on the basis of organization. Two type of organisms are there, they are diploblastic and triploblastic. As you can see, diploblastic, diplo means two layers, blastic means blastula. It is the stage of embryo where embryo it is in its young stage, then it is known as blastula, then it converts into gastrula and gastrula into morula and morula into embryo. So here blastula stage cells are arranged into two embryonic layers, that is ectoderm and endoderm. Triploblastic cells are arranged into three embryonic layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Three layers are there, and here mesoderm is undifferentiated, which is present between ectoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm means outer layer, endoderm means inner layer, mesoderm means middle layer. Diploblastic example Coelenterata, triploblastic example Platyhelminthes, chordates, etc. Now here we will see diploblastic. You can see mesoglia means mesoderm, this is ectoderm, this is endoderm. Triploblastic, you can see ectoderm, endoderm and here mesoderm, clear cut mesoderm, here mesoglia and here mesoderm, tough layer. It is divided into three layers and it is divided into two layers. Now coelom. It is a cavity between body wall and gut wall. Gut wall means alimentary canal. Body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is known as coelom. On that basis, three type of organisms are there: coelomate, pseudocoelomate and acoelomate. Coelomate. Coelom means cavity, eta means present. Cavity is present. Pseudocoelomate, as you can see from the name pseudo, false coelom is present. False coelom means here absence of true cavity. True cavity means cavity which is filled with blood. Acoelomate, absence of body cavity. So the organism, those who have presence of coelom are known as coelomate. Those who are having false coelom, they are known as pseudocoelomate. Acoelomate, they have the absence of coelom. Functions of coelom. It provides the space where body organs are suspended. It acts as a shock absorber and protects internal organs from external shocks. Provides hydraulic skeleton to soft-bodied animals and helps in burrowing, locomotion. In insects, it provides medium for circulation, transporting food, gases, etc. Temporary storage of waste. This is the site for maturation of the gametes. Means this is the place where gametes are getting matured. And gametes are male and female gametes like ova and sperm. It allows the gut to move independent of body wall. Means when movement of alimentary canal is there, it is independent of body cavity or body wall. Now here we will see acoelomate. They have the absence of coelom. They have the pseudocoelomate, false coelom. And coelomate animals, as you can see how it is. true coelom. This is ectoderm, endoderm, and this is coelom. They have the presence of coelom, so they are known as coelomate animal. They don't have presence of coelom, but from distance it looks like coelom, so they are known as pseudocoelomate, and it is not filled with blood. Coelom is filled with blood and it is not filled with blood. Acoelomate animal, they have absence of coelom. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.